how to search YouTube videos by date. That's what we're going to do in today's video, but first make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and let's get started right now. So if you don't know, searching on YouTube is not only typing the name of your video. You can choose some settings to do or to apply on your YouTube search. You can sort your search results or change the type if you want to search for channels or videos or a certain type of search, or the topic of our video, searching by date. So let's go to YouTube and open it, and then go to the search button right here. Search for any video that we want, like let's search for iPhone. So this is the normal search result. So if you want to search by date, you can type on the three dots here and click on filters and choose the upload date. If you want it to be the last hour, today, this week, this month, or this year's. You can also choose to filter by duration, type, or relevance. Let's say that we want it to be downloaded the last hour. Apply. And here are some of the videos uploaded in the last hour. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and write down below in the comment section any suggestion or question that you have, and have a nice day.